Hey Thornton, what's up? It's Heather from Thornton Water, and today we're in my backyard. I wanted to tell you about a little lawn renovation project that I did a couple years ago. We took out about 600 square feet of turf and put in beautiful waterwise landscaping. I highly recommend, if you're thinking about doing a project like this, that you go for it. It saved a lot of water. Before we were using about 18,000 gallons of water a month in the summer, and now we're down to about 13,000 gallons, so saving about 5,000 gallons a month. And then over the course of the summer, that should save at least 20,000 gallons, which is huge. I believe in you. You can do it too in your yard. All you need to do is a little bit of planning, figure out how you want the garden to look, get a little muscle going, get that turf out. You can use a turf remover, or we actually just rototilled our turf into our dirt here. Next thing you need to do is amend the soil. We used topsoil and compost in this garden, and then you pick your plants. And we use the Garden in a Box program, so we put in about 4 garden in a box setups in this garden, and they make it so easy. They choose all the plants for you, they do all the work. They choose plants that I maybe wouldn't have chosen, but I absolutely love in the garden. So I highly recommend that program as well. After your plants are in, figure out your irrigation. We recommend drip irrigation for a garden like this. And then you need to do your mulch. And what we did in this garden was put down newspaper underneath the mulch. So about 3 or 4 sheets of newspaper under the mulch will really keep the weeds down. It's been amazing. It really, really works. After that, just sit back and enjoy your beautiful waterwise sanctuary. So if you're thinking about doing something like this in your yard, go to thorntonwater.com and check out our Waterwise Landscape rebate. And we also have a H2 overhaul kit that has tons of information each step of the way for a lawn renovation. So check that out too. Thanks for coming to my yard today.